fractions. Now, it tells us to find the greatest common factor for 24 and 16, but sometimes that's not as easy to do. And so I want you guys to remember that you could always make sure you can divide or check for division by 2, 3, 5, sometimes 7. So let's take that and look at 16 and 24. Well, I know that 2 can go into both 16 and 24, so I'm going to divide them both by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. Well, I'm not done yet, so I'm going to try it again. I'm going to divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Well, they're both even, so I'm going to divide by 2 again. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. And so that is lowest terms because they are both prime numbers. These are all prime numbers up above. So that's how I know that I am in the lowest term, that I can't divide it any further. So let's take a look at another one. And I could have used 8 for both of those. For this, I could have divided them both by 8 and got 2 and 3. So let's try number 5. Well, I know 2 can go into them because they're both even. So I'm going to try it to divide it by 2. But I also see the 4 there, and I know that 4 can go into 12. But let's just stick with dividing by 2, because what if I don't know that 4 goes into them? Four divided by 2 is 2, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. I know that 2 can go into both of them because they are both even. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. I have 1 for a top number. I know that's my final answer. And I like to square it because there's a lot of messy math going on, and that helps draw my attention to it. All right. Well, let's try number 3. Well, 2 can't go into it because they're both not even. So let's try 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. And so I know I'm at my lowest because 3 is a prime number and it does not go into 4. So 9/12 in the lowest terms is 3/4. So go ahead and try that out for a few of these, and we'll do this in class.